What's going on, guys? Anders Larsson here. Today I'm going to do things a little bit different from previous videos, and I'm going to release a series of videos about Esty.com, and I think this is going to be something very unique and very important. I'm going to share with you the things that are hidden. So my name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I have a special skill set that I don't think many people have that allows me to do research on different platforms. The skill set that I have is that I'm an expert in automating stuff, so I can extract real data. And 2 days ago I got an idea that I think will blow your mind. I know that I'm not that entertaining compared to other YouTubers, and that is partly the reason why I'm not the top YouTuber, because YouTube is all about entertainment and they rank videos based on entertainment value. I think that is wrong, because what I'm going to share with you is going to be crazy important. So you have to endure a little bit of your time to really understand what I'm actually sharing with you. If you stick to the end of this video, I will reveal my traffic secrets, how you actually can scale up your traffic. There are actually 2 secrets, and if you know how to scale up your traffic, then you also know that this is going to inspire people to take action, to join or use the different resources that you share with them in the description. But that will be at the end of this video. So let's dive into Esty.com. The main thing that I'm doing is a research, and this is going to be a research on Etsy. I have been trying Etsy for a couple of weeks now, selling digital wall arts, and it is going really poor. So in this part I'm going to share the story how people try Etsy, even if it is super competitive. First I did a YouTube research, and people talk about how easy it is. They talk about the cost, that you have to be aware of the cost, because Etsy is going to take a lot of money from each item that you sell. They talk about the trust, that it is already a trusted platform, so you don't have to do the work of building trust. And because Etsy is a big website, it is already established, then it also has the know, like and trust. It is a global website. Anyone can use Etsy. They talk about optimize your listings, doing the SEO in the title and the tags. They talk about how item rarity can increase your sales, and it is actually very simple. If you put that you only have one item to sell, then it encourages people to buy faster. And then you have Etsy ads, which I will never try. You can't just decide to throw some products in your listings and try Etsy ads and see what happens. That is a very volatile approach. So think of this as a bubble. This is the first thing that you get when you search for Etsy in YouTube. All of the people in the top results already had or have success with Etsy. Most of them have made thousands of dollars, and all these videos will drive traffic to Esty.com from their videos. But what they really want is actually not for you to try Etsy, but they really want you to try their offer or their affiliate program, or for you to get to their sales funnel. It is all about making money. So this is a bubble. I don't know, maybe we can call it an entertainment influencer bubble. They have the top position because they are entertaining. I strongly believe that because they are or have been successful and they have a big audience, they can't actually put themselves in the shoes of a beginner because they are in this bubble. You can't copy or model their formula of success because you are not in this bubble. I mean, it took them a long time to emerge inside this bubble, many years, building the audience, building the skills, building the know, like, and trust, and building the authority, because authority plays a role in pretty much any search engine. You have to build authority to rank well in search engines. But if you have that, if you have know, like, and trust, and if you have a big audience, then it is easy to influence people to take action on whatever you throw at them. So my idea is to do a research not from the perspective of someone successful, but from the perspective from someone not successful. And that is basically taking a look how people are doing that are beginners on Etsy, because that is going to be your reality if you join that web service. So this is part 1 of this video, and now, as I promised, I will share with you my traffic secrets. And this is actually something that shocked me. 27 subscribers, it's not much to talk about, but the results is something that might be interesting to you. So this is over the year, and in the beginning of September I started to doing web service reviews. Let's check a lifetime. So basically here I tried something. I ordered video reviews from Fiverr. It got me a couple of sales, so I sold a ClickBank product, but it wasn't worth it. I spent a lot of money on Fiverr. Then this account was just in idle mode. I didn't do anything, and in 2019 I started to make a serious attempt in online marketing, trying to promote Legendary Marketer, and I really struggled. I got barely any traffic. I tried to do video grading on Fiverr. People graded my videos, and that got me a little bit of traffic, and I could determine what I needed to do to improve my videos and make them better. Now check this out. Here the traffic started to grow, and why is that? So this takes us to the first part of the secret, why it works, why I get more traffic. Check out my videos, the titles. You can see that every title has a domain, and people are actually looking for domains. They want to know more about livejournal.com, so they enter livejournal.com. Same with AppSense and Smore and Shutterfly. If you search, for example, appsense.com, you can see that there are a couple of results that doesn't have appsense.com in the title, but it helps with a domain. If you just search for AppSense, for example, then you can see that my video is pretty much gone, but it is way down below in the search results. So using domains really helps. Now the second part of the secret, or the second secret, or gold nugget if you will, is to share with people that they are going to receive a secret in the beginning of the video. So in all of my videos I share that I'm going to give them something important, something that they don't want to miss. So many people, because of that, will stick to the end of the video, and this will result in increased watch time, and that is really important. You don't know how important it is until you actually create videos and publish them on YouTube and try the secrets yourself. So I can't stress enough how important it is for you to apply what you learn. So please do that. You know what you could do is something very simple, and that is a reaction video. You could create a reaction video of my video and share your own thoughts, what you think. That way you don't have to worry so much about what you want to share, and it is a win-win for both of us. You have some content to share and I get some views from you. I don't know, what do you think? Is that a good idea? Now, one thing more is, I think you know this already, but Share with people how they can make money. Put your link to your affiliate offer or to your sales funnel, because this is going to make you money. Some of the people watching your video is going to realize the importance of recommending the solution that makes you money. You can put pretty much any affiliate program here, but you need to make sure that people are actually making money with this program, and you need to make sure that the program offers high value items in the backend, because some of the visitors that you receive will be people that have success, that have money to invest, and they are going to invest in high ticket products, and this is when you receive a $1,000 commission. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it is going to be worth all the time that you spend on your videos trying to help and inspire people. So this is the end of part 1, and the next part is going to be even more important, because in the next part I will begin to show you the hidden part of Etsy, the things Etsy don't want you to know, the niches that will be the easiest for you to begin with. By the way, you know what we could do, or what you could help me with, is come up with ideas that you want me to research. I mean, there has to be more websites that could be interesting to find out the hidden stuff, the gold nuggets that is hard to find unless you have the tools to do so. I mean, I can help you with that. It is just an idea. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Have an awesome day or night wherever you are, and take care, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.